everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel. I have some Happy Mail winnings I'd like to share with you all. And this comes from Robyn and Pitt's Sir Chauncey Rocco Designs here on YouTube. Hey girl! And she was having a Merry Craftmas series. And if you guys haven't checked it out, I'm going to leave the link down below. I mean, it is amazing. And she does tutorials for all these gorgeous projects. And I thought the prize winnings was like a paper collection, and it certainly doesn't look like that. I got all these extras, but there's a note here to read first before I open everything. So let me read this offline. I'll be right back. Thank you so much, my sweet friend. Isn't this super cute? And girl, you are not late. My middle name is late. I'm still working on birthdays for last year. Yes, that's how late I am. And thank you so much for the extras. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut these open off camera, but let me start with this bag here. And I'm gonna set these aside. And I love this bag. I'm gonna reuse this. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Simple Stories paper pad. Oops, sorry for that glare. Let me see if I can show you this paper. Oh, yeah, I can pull this off. If you guys haven't seen this paper, I'll do a quick flip through. Oh, this is beautiful paper. Thank you so much, Robyn. You can never have enough Christmas paper, right? It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. I think I got it all. This is gorgeous paper. And she gave me the matching sticker book. Let's see. Oops. Let's see if I can open. Oops, I tore it. Anyway, you may have already seen these. But look. Wow, I love all the letters and the sentiments, sticker pack, and she gave me some embellishment pieces and some stickers, some dimensional stickers. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's on both sides. Thank you so much. And you know, this would have been plenty. I mean, even just this paperback would have been more than enough, Robyn. I so appreciate your generosity. Thank you so much, sweetie. And now let's start with some of these boxes. And give me 1 second. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? She gifted me this gorgeous cracker box. Oh my gosh. It's just gorgeous. And she has a tutorial on this, guys. I mean, I love this paper. And look at this flower cluster. Isn't that beautiful? She's got this poinsettia here and a little bling in the center. And I love these little sprays and these green sprays here, some pink ones, and there's a snowflake here. And there's a deer tucked behind and some flowers here too. I mean, it is just gorgeous. And she told me to open it with the one with the string here. So let me open it here. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Robyn. I really appreciate it for sending me all these extras. And let me pull this gently. Okay, I got it. Yay! Oh, she gave me some Nuvo drops. And I love this color. Oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And she put some shred in there. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Robyn. I mean, this is a gift in itself right here. Isn't that gorgeous? I could stare at this all day. It's beautiful. It's like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to put this away and I'll be right back with the next one. Isn't this gorgeous? I love these. It says for someone special, and I love that she used pink, the pink double bow here. And it's a scallop box. It's taped. Let me see if I can remove the tape without tearing the paper. Oh, she gifted me some bath bombs. I love this. And it's got like little inserts where you can just sit them in easily. I love this. And I believe, I know it's been a while now, I believe this is one of her Merry Craftmas projects as well. Thank you so much, girl. So sweet of you. Oh, I love it. And I have one more box to share. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, isn't this gorgeous, guys? Look at this. Oh my gosh, Robyn, this is gorgeous. I can't believe you gifted me this. But thank you so much. I'm glad you did. And this looks like an, yeah, this is an easel card box with a drawer. But look at her amazing and gorgeous flower clusters. She is amazing at doing her flower clusters. I mean, look at this. It's a gorgeous pink poinsettia with glitter. I think there might be glitter glass on here too. And there's a sentiment chipboard piece and sprays on either side. And look at this flower cluster. I love this bling here. And some flowers and more sprays and some embellishments here too. And look at the layers on this thing. Let me show you the layers. Look at how many layers she's got. And it's kind of like a tunnel, if you will. All the layers, and she's got pearls here and even on here. It's just gorgeous. And it's an easel. And she's got more pearls here. And I absolutely love this paper line. This is one of my favorite paper lines. This is Stamperia. I must have bought like 3 or 4 paper packs. I love it. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And she has feet on the bottom with some beads. And I love that it's just finished, completely clean and finished on the bottom and on the edges here. And look at this drawer pull. It's gorgeous. I love it. And on the inside, let's see. Ooh, yes. Godiva chocolates. I love it. Yum. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, sweetie. And I love that she puts pink shred in there. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Robyn. So generous of you to gift me this and everything else. Let me bring everything back here. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Oh, I can't zoom out. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, sweetie, for being so super generous. And oh my gosh, and for being so super sweet. I so appreciate it. I love, I love shabby chic, and she knows I love pink. And I so appreciate it. Oh my gosh. And oh my goodness, I'm at a loss for words. If you guys don't know Robyn, please check out her channel. She does a lot of collabs, and she does she's so generous with her giveaways, and she is an amazing crafter, as you can see, guys. So I'm going to leave the link down below to her channel. Please show her some love, and thank you so much again, sweetie, for being so super sweet and generous. Heart you. And everyone, I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.